Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. I hope you all are doing well. So, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get all the job notification update for all of you. And press the bell icon that will never miss any of the notification of my video. If you like this video, please like it and please do comment below if you have any query regarding to my this video or my any other videos. So let's move on to the today's video. We are going to talk about a job notification by ACIES. So ACIES is currently hiring a software developer for 2021 batch. Yes guys, for 2021 batch. So let's see what are the job description and what are the basic requirements for this job. So as they mentioned, we are excited to announce that this career opportunity for the freshers graduating in the year 2021. So if you are in your last year of your graduation, you can apply for this job, and glad to sharing that a collaboration with the institute like yours. So let's see few of the more thing they mentioned, that for this job you must have a strong programming skill. Analyzing and problem solving skills are self-starter. Creativity, excellent and written communication skills. So they mention few of the requirements which they mention, and you can apply for this job. Let's see which degree can apply for this job. So if you are doing your BE, BTech in CSIT, MCA with 50% no standing appeal, you can apply for this job. So let's see what are the screening round. So you have first is your online aptitude test, which is a screening round. Second, your programming test, and third is your technical interview. So there are the 3 rounds for this job. So the selected student will be quickly starting their internship immediately. So guys, if you are selected for this job, you are going to do an internship. I can provide the apply link in the description box. You can check and